Hey guys, I'm Vicky. Today is day 29. This is Ansible part 4th. So today I'm going to teach you how to write Ansible playbook. I covered part 1, part 2 and part 3. On part 3 I spoke about Ansible attack commands. If you are not watched that video, first go and watch the video, then come to part 4 so that you will get to understand what I'm saying. So what is Ansible attack commands? Attack commands is nothing but it's a single line commands. And now we're going to see a playbook. So what is playbook? How it looks like? So if you want this repository link, you get this link on this video description. So I open this day 28th folder. So there is a project 3 underscore docker underscore install.yml. Here you can see the playbook. This is how playbooks looks like. This is a YML format. So we're going to see how to write this playbook. It's very simple. I'll show you. I'll teach you. Now today is day 29. So this folder has a 3 file. One is a host file, another one is a playbook file, another one is a readme file. So this is the module link. So this documentation provided by Ansible. You get this link. You verify this link. Okay. So how to write Ansible playbook? So before I write this playbook, I need to write this host.ini inventory. This is the inventory file. So I mentioned prod. So this is the group name, and I created a manage node on my EC2. So this is the manage node IP. So I need to access this server by using Ubuntu user. So this is the user. Okay, now we are successfully write this inventory file. Now I go to playbook.yml file. I start with the space hyphen name. Here I mention the process name. I'll show you ls ansible hyphen m, which is a module. This is the module name hyphen I inventory file. I calling the inventory file host.ini. Then I calling, this is enough. This is supposed to be playbook. Let's run this. I'll get error. So I'm gonna copy this and I'm going to paste here. This I missed this prod staging group name. Then I again run this. You see this? So here what I'm trying to do is, this is the Ansible. This is the group name of my inventory file. This is the inventory file group. This is the module. Okay, here I'm using ping module. So by using this ping module, we can verify our connection is successfully connected or failed. So then I'm calling this inventory file. Okay, so this is called attack commands. Okay, this is a single line commands. So we're going to write this command on playbook. Where is it? So I'm going to paste this. So now you can ask, okay, I paste this command, shall I run this playbook.yml file? No, not like that. This file is supposed to be YML format because this file has YML extension. For that, space and name. So what is the task? Ping the task, or we can say connectivity. Host. So what is host? Prod. It's a group name. Okay, supposed to be like this. Now become become, yes. What is become? We are trying to access from our, what is it? This is our um, control node. So this is our manage node. So we are trying to access our manage node from our control node. So it need root permission. So for that I'm giving yes. This playbook has root permission, so you can do any action. Okay, now task. What is a task? Hyphen name. Task is ping task. Okay, I'm making this video on early morning, so that's why there are many interruption here. So now I'm calling this ping module. Okay, so this is how we can write the ansible playbook file. So this is very simple. Now I'm going to run this file. How? It's very easy. Ansible hyphen playbook. I'm going to remove this module because this module is in my playbook file. So I no need. Let's run this code. Host playbook. There is a error. I'm gonna copy this. And I paste. You see ansible hyphen playbook and hyphen inventory file. This is the inventory file, then playbook.yml file. You see this connection is okay, everything is fine. So I can connect my local, my control node to manage node. Here if I use hyphen v or vvv, it's a verbose. I go wv, you see I have more logs. See, everything is fine. So this is very simple playbook. So now I go to another name is copy the file. For that I am using copy module. So copy module has two argument. One is src, which is source. I gonna copy my readme file, readme from my source to destination, dest. So what is a destination? Home Ubuntu. Let's check SSH. So what is the IP address of my manage node? Ubuntu is a username. So I am logging into my server. I go with pwd present working directory. So this is the directory. So now I want to copy from my this is a control node. I'm going to copy from my control node to manage node, where home and Ubuntu. Okay, here I gonna mention Ubuntu. Okay, let's run this. I'm gonna exit. Let's run this code. So first connectivity is okay, connectivity is okay. So you see this is a ping task. Where is it? Ping task is successfully done. Then this is the copy the file. So this is the copy the file. Okay, this also completed. Change, there is a one change. Now I'm going to log in again my manage node server. I have some internet issue, that's why. Okay, You see this? I'm going to cat this. Readme. You see? So now I successfully copy my readme file from my control node to managed node. So this is how we can write the playbook. I hope this video will help you. We'll see you part 5th video, and thank you.